Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today. Yes, almost weekend, almost weekend because in today's newspaper of Friday, January 21st, 2022, we have here two regular puzzles, Sudoku Light, regular Sudoku, and a Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper, we have an additional with six extra puzzles, and half of them I will solve. But first, we will solve these two regular Sudokus, and the first one, the Sudoku Light, will be a number. Let me see which number it will be. What's the page here? Will be number 4011. Yes, 4011. Let me put this here. 4011. And after I've solved this puzzle, I started to analyze the light, or no, not the light, but all the Sudokus. And I want to analyze these middle boxes of the 9 big squares. Maybe I will see a pattern or kind of, so you can solve the Sudoku maybe a little bit faster. But I need to analyze, and maybe you see a pattern or you have a solution or what. Just place your comment below. All right. So let's get started. Oh, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. And well, I need to be faster than the one stop Sudoku in additional. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, we will see. All right, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. How about 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be there. Okay, 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well, cannot continue with the 6 now. How about the 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above, so in that row the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so no row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, here 9, no 9 there, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. And digit number 1, number 9. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, third column, 1 in the second column, so on the first column, only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. One, seven. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing, 6 and the 7 is missing. 157, 157, 157. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the third in this column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright, 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. Then. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay, I cannot continue with the 1. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the third row, so the row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. I believe we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have the 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 4. Number 8. Alright. Okay, 1 box left in this column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and 5 is missing. 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Yes, told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And I've solved this in 10 minutes. Alright, after I've solved a Sudoku. For me, it's important to analyze a puzzle, and I want to analyze these middle box of a big square. Alright, so maybe we can see here a pattern. I do not know, but maybe we see a pattern, and if we see a pattern, maybe we can solve a puzzle faster. So maybe you can place a comment or whatever. 645. Okay, 645. We have 389, 389, 274, 274. So we have one pair, the 4. So 1 is missing. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I cannot tell more about this. So, alright. Thank you for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku heavy. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.